Hello everyone, welcome to this video on bold reports. When building reports in the Bold Report Designer, expressions play a key role in how your data is displayed. Expressions give you the ability to calculate values and format content. In this video, I'll walk you through how expressions work, where you can use them, and why they are essential for building flexible, interactive reports. Let's get started. I've already created and opened my report inside the Bold Report Designer. Expressions must always begin with an equal sign. If they don't, the value is treated as plain text. To create an expression, right-click the text box report item and select Add Expression. This opens the expression editor. Inside the editor, there is a text area at the top where an expression is added, and below that there are collections like built-in fields, operators, functions, parameters, and dataset fields. They provide all the building blocks I need to construct expressions without memorizing syntax. Let's start with a simple expression. If I want to display a report's execution time, I'll choose Globals. Then double-click the execution time. This automatically inserts the expression. To confirm this, switch to Preview in the top panel. Now you can see the date and time at which the report was generated. Next, expressions can also perform calculations. For example, if I want to add the current user ID to the execution time, I'll add the following expression. Here I'm combining two built-in fields, Globals and User. I click OK. Then I'll switch to Preview in the top panel. And now you can see the date and time at which the report was generated. It's displayed with the user that generated the report. Moving on to the parameters expression. Expressions also work with parameters. First, add a data source and dataset that are connected to the SQL database. Next, add a report parameter by selecting the parameter icon. Then select New Parameter. I'll name the parameter. I set the data type to integer and enable Show Unique Values. Set the necessary value and save it. Now, you can reference the parameter anywhere via the parameters collection in the expression editor. This is what makes the report respond dynamically to the user's selection at runtime. To confirm this, add a table and add the necessary column. Assign values to it. Once the values are assigned to the table, I apply some basic formatting to it. And filter the data in the table with the parameter expression. I save it. When a parameter is added, the report responds to whatever value the user selects at runtime. Then, switch to Preview in the top panel. Select the product ID in the parameter and view the report. You can see the specific parameter value that we created and added as an expression. Expressions can pull values from dataset fields. To confirm this, I add a column to the right. I add the header. If my dataset contains sales order ID, I can display it using the expression. Once the expression is added, select OK. It will automatically be applied to the selected text box. Switch to preview mode in the top panel, and you can see the value field displayed based on what's selected. In this video, I've shown you how to use expressions in bold reports to control report content, styles, values, and behavior. By using expressions effectively, you can build more dynamic, interactive reports. To explore more features, visit boldreports.com. You can begin a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free button, or schedule a personalized demo with our team today. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.